$1,000 sheets. I got caught at 3 on repeat. Back shots to the beat of on you. Got me acting like you got a milli on you.
It's Chadney, and I told you I'll be back with another video. This one is brought to you by divatress.com. Again, let's go ahead and get right into this wig because she's popping as usual. It's fiery, it's summery, it's playful. I love it. So let me tell y'all a little secret. I've had this wig for almost like 2 months now. And when I tell you it is just as good as day one, that's exactly what I mean. I love this wig. Okay, let me get into the specs here. So, it is from the Newborn Free line. It's the Magic Lace Curved Part Lace Front Wig. The style is Magic Lace Curved Part 203. The item number is MLC203. So, of course, they all kind of intertwines with each other. I will make sure I put that down below because that is a lot to remember. Of course, I always include the direct link to these wigs in the comment section. So before you ask me, go down below and read the comments. The name, the color, the link, it will already be down below. So you're welcome. The color that I have is DYX4 Tangerine. I love this color. I love the length. I love the dark roots going into the ombre effect because, you know, on some of our skin tones, it's better for it to have dark roots so it won't look so wiggy. So I love this wig. I've been wearing it for 2 months. It's still the same. It is a yucky texture. It is not silky whatsoever. If you ever see that the ends are getting kind of thick, you can flat iron it or you can start cutting it. But right now it's been pretty fine for me. I get so many compliments on this wig, guys. It does not make any sense. I also try to post a couple of pictures with my wig because I've been loving this wig. Again, I appreciate divatress.com for sending me this wig. It's been great. I have loved every wig that has been sent my way, and I cannot wait to have more collaborations with you all. Tell me how y'all like this wig. Do you have this wig? What color do you have it in? Do you like this wig? How has it been treating you? If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to comment down below. Like, subscribe, turn your notification buttons on because I got a lot of wigs coming your way along with some other content. So stay tuned, guys. Stay freaking tuned. Until next time, Pinky promises to take care of yourself because if you can't take care of yourself, then you won't be able to come back and see me. I'll try to do the same. In the meantime, make sure you let everybody know that we love wigs. I love y'all. See ya later, alligator. Mwah. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.